How to use GPT tools for NLP optimization, entities plus vectors. The days of ranking on Google by simply stuffing keywords or building endless backlinks are long gone. Today the SEO landscape is evolving faster than ever, driven by AI, NLP, natural language processing, and semantic search. If you're still relying on old tactics, your content is likely being overlooked by Google's sophisticated algorithms. This blog will guide you step by step on how to use GPT tools for NLP optimization, focusing on entities and vectors, so your content not only ranks higher but also delivers real value to your audience. Why traditional SEO tactics no longer work. In the early 2010s, SEO was mostly about numbers, keyword density, how many times a target keyword appeared on a page, backlinks, the more, the better, regardless of relevance, meta tricks, hidden keywords, spammy redirects, and excessive anchor text. While these strategies helped websites climb SERPs temporarily, they fail in today's AI-driven environment. Google's algorithms have shifted to prioritize user intent, understanding what the searcher really wants. Content quality, depth, accuracy, and readability matter more than keyword repetition. AI-driven search and semantic relevance. Search engines now understand meaning, not just words. Voice and contextual search. Queries are becoming more conversational. In short, SEO is no longer about tricking search engines, it's about helping them understand your content and its relevance to users. NLP in SEO. The AI advantage. Natural language processing. NLP is a branch of AI that helps machines understand human language. Google uses NLP to analyze entities, recognizable people, places, organizations, or concepts in your content. Vectors. Semantic representations of words that show relationships, context, and meaning. By optimizing for entities and vectors, you're essentially speaking Google's language. This allows search engines to recognize your content's relevance to a topic, understand relationships between concepts, match your content to user intent more accurately. GPT tools like ChatGPT or OpenAI models make this easier by automatically identifying entities and generating contextually relevant content vectors. Understanding entities. Entities are specific, recognizable concepts. They can include people, Elon Musk, Marie Curie, places, Bangladesh, Silicon Valley organizations, Google, UNICEF, concepts, digital marketing, blockchain. Why entities matter for SEO. Google can connect content across multiple pages using entities. Rich entity-based content signals authority and topical relevance. Optimizing for entities improves semantic search alignment, which is essential for AI-driven search results. How to identify entities with GPT tools. Use GPT to summarize your content and ask it to extract key entities. Generate content clusters around those entities for better topical coverage. Integrate entity-based internal linking for enhanced SEO value. Understanding vectors. Vectors are numerical representations of words or concepts in multi-dimensional space. In simpler terms, they help Google understand context and meaning, not just individual keywords. Why vectors matter for SEO. Vectors allow search engines to interpret synonyms, related terms, and context. They help avoid keyword stuffing by emphasizing semantic relevance instead of repetitive phrases. Vector-based optimization aligns your content with AI-powered search algorithms, making your pages more discoverable. How to use GPT tools for vector optimization. Generate content suggestions or expansions based on semantic similarity. Identify related keywords and topics that naturally fit your content. Analyze existing pages to see which terms share vector similarity with high-ranking competitors. Step-by-step guide. Using GPT tools for NLP optimization. Here's how you can implement GPT-driven NLP optimization in your content strategy. 1. Identify core topics and entities. Start with your main topic. Ask GPT to extract entities from your seed keywords. For example, topic SEO for e-commerce, entities extracted by GPT, Google algorithms, product pages, conversion rate, keyword research. 2. Map content vectors. Use GPT to understand semantic relationships. Input your content and ask GPT to suggest related phrases, synonyms, and contextual terms. This creates a vector map showing how concepts relate. 3. Optimize content structure. Use headings that integrate key entities naturally. Include semantic keywords and paragraphs without align content with user intent. Answer questions, provide solutions, and ensure readability. For internal linking, using entities. Link pages that share common entities to create a semantic network. This helps Google understand your site's structure and relevance. 5. Test and iterate. Analyze rankings and traffic. Use GPT to generate new variations, update entities, and refine vector coverage. Keep content aligned with emerging AI-driven search trends. Benefits of NLP optimization with GPT. Better rankings. Search engines understand your content's relevance more accurately. Enhanced user experience. Content aligns with what users are actually searching for. Future-proof SEO. Prepares your site for AI-first search and voice queries. Reduced keyword dependence. Focus on meaning, not repetition. Topical authority. Entity-driven clusters establish expertise in your niche. Common mistakes to avoid: overloading entities. Too many unrelated entities confuse Google. Ignoring context. Keywords alone won't rank if vectors aren't optimized. Thin content. AI optimization can't replace depth. Your content still needs value. Skipping internal linking. Entities work best in a well-connected content network. SEO in 2025 is about intelligent AI-driven optimization, not shortcuts. Using GPT tools to focus on entities and vectors allows you to create content that Google truly understands, boosting your organic traffic. Topical authority and user engagement. If you're still relying on old tactics like keyword stuffing or backlink chasing, now is the time to pivot. NLP optimization with GPT is the future of SEO, and adopting it early gives you a major competitive advantage. Thank you for watching.